one thing to recycle, the other to add value and also to reuse. Now, our episode of the Innovation Nation today finds us in the heart of Nansada municipality, where a young creative is not only adding value to glass bottles, but also creating an impression that meets aesthetics and also speaks to the world of creative, but adding innovation into a world where only creatives seem to thrive. Tracy Kaita is an engineering student whose passion for art has driven her to create unique, handmade pieces. What began as simple epoxy resin key holders has grown into a full creative journey, now expanding into decorative wall frames crafted from recycled glass bottles.
I wanted to start up something that wasn't common. So I did my research. So that's when I found this. So at first I started with key holders, this. So I made key holders at first. Then I wanted to expand. So I decided to do something with the bottles, figure out something that can bring in as much. So I started the wall things, the wall interiors.
Like many creatives, Tracy's work is fueled by inspiration. For her, that inspiration comes from endless scrolling on the Pinterest social media platform, where global design ideas sparked her interest in resin art and experimental materials.
I actually got an idea from Pinterest. Yeah, I was going through this, how to expand, how to make other things, not only key holders. So I found some person they were making it with they would make tables with resin, tables, a lot of things with resin. So I was like, how about I just start with the frames, broken bottles, you just do that.
Tracy works with epoxy resin, a versatile two-part thermoset polymer made up of resin and hardener. When combined, the materials undergo a chemical reaction that results in a durable, rigged, and high-strength solid. Epoxy resin is widely used in industrial coatings, strong adhesives, electronics, and increasingly in artistic applications due to its strong adhesive properties, chemical resistance, and minimal shrinkage.
It sticks as glue. At some point it dries.
So which is which? This
is A and B.
So you're supposed to buy a pair.
Now this is hardener and this is just resin.
Despite the uniqueness of her work, Tracy notes that appreciation for this form of art is still limited locally. According to her, most interest comes from international audiences who have a keen eye for detail and the creativity involved, highlighting the slow growth of the local market.
Most people that appreciate the art happen to be in Kenya, South Africa. So Ugandans, some do, but they rarely purchase it. They'll be like, yeah, that's good, that's nice, but we don't purchase it. So that's a bit hard, but some do purchase it. Yeah, but so it's a bit small.
However, Tracy does not view her craft as her only business path. She hopes to expand her reach, grow her clientele, and use her art as a foundation to create more opportunities within and beyond the creative industry.
Well, I want to expand. That's the whole point, expanding. That's why I went from key holders to this to paintings. So the whole point is expanding and having a lot of options. If someone doesn't take a key holder, they will take a painting, they will take the frame.
Like many entrepreneurs and artists, Tracy continues to face challenges that test her consistency and determination, ranging from material costs to market limitations, yet she remains committed to refining her craft.
The resin, it's not pretty common. So also some people happen to sell resin that doesn't work properly. So if you just buy, you can. It's a loss. So there has been a lot of losses. Yeah, there has been a lot. Also the pricing, because you tell someone it's 120 and they were like, you're overpricing it. Meanwhile, you're using most of the money is going in the material because they're expensive.
Tracy Kaita's story reflects a growing movement of young creatives finding innovative ways to turn passion into purpose, one resin piece at a time. With the use of social media such as X, Instagram and TikTok, she continues to market her designs, hoping one day it will grow into an even bigger recycling hub. From making key holders down to these impressive art pieces, for Tracy, it's not just creating art pieces, but rather giving an impression on recycling and also adding value to a product that will speak directly to your soul and add taste to your living room or your workspace. Joram Paul Sonko, NTV Innovation Nation, Nansana.